Living up in the mountains in Prescott, Arizona is beautiful, but it doesn't come without challenges. Our customer here lives on a narrow one-lane road. They had no parking. The soil and water was going directly up against their home, especially during monsoon storms, and they had no way to safely get down to their front door. We solved all those challenges. Let's go take a look around. Before, our customer had limited parking, enough room for maybe one truck. Now they have over 1,000 square feet with this brand new parking pad. Before, these stairs leading to the front door were made out of wood and they were completely falling apart. We've replaced every single one of them with Versalock retaining wall steps and this railing for extra safety. One of the challenges, and probably the biggest, was the fact that all of this soil was sloped towards the home. And during a monsoon storm or any rain or snow, moisture and water would get up against the home as well. In order to prevent that from happening, we needed to gain some space. So first, we installed a retaining wall underneath this edge because this house is actually on stilts, so there isn't a stem wall to backfill up against. After building that wall, we now have a solid base, but we needed to gain more room. That's why we installed this wall here, about 5 foot tall. From the window, we created a planting area and centered this Japanese maple. By extending this wall up past the corner of the house, we were able to extend these pavers up to that retaining wall and then wrap them around to the back. The next project in the upcoming year is going to be replacing that deck and connecting it up to this pad so our customers can go all the way around the house. To retain this upper slope, we decided to go with 2 shorter garden bed walls. When we did that, it enabled us to install a row of boxwoods, a Japanese maple just outside the front door, and this Oregon green Austrian pine. If you can't safely get around your property or have issues with drainage or erosion control, or maybe you just don't like the way your yard looks, those are some of the many challenges that we can help solve at Yavapai Landscaping. If you're ready to get started on your project, call or text anytime, 928-910-4147.